科学家上新的研究指出，讲伫咧45亿年前，有一个号做特亚行星去弄到地球了，才会璀璨海一做伙，转变做咱即马所看到的月娘。
伫古希腊的神话当中，掌管光明的女神狄亚是太阳甲月亮的老母，所以伫1946年出现的大小龙理论，就甲40几亿年前弄地球了后，甲地球结合的行星，号名号做狄亚。
Theia, we believe, is an ancient planet that smashed into the Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. It was probably around the size of Mars, and when it smashed into the Earth, it essentially demolished itself. It kicked up a lot of debris into space, along with some of the Earth, and over time, that debris coalesced together to form the moon.
45亿年前，也就是天文学家估计咱一个太阳系出世的时间。根据德国麦克斯普朗克太阳系研究所 （MPS） 伫科学学术期刊上新发表的论文，消息的狄亚行星是早期地球的老厝边，不过比咱更较靠近太阳。
We're talking about a planet that doesn't exist anymore. Theia hasn't existed in 4.5 billion years. It was completely vaporized, essentially. And yet, with a good amount of precision, we can figure out where it came from.
这其中的关键就是地球甲月球岩石的建本当中所找到的各种矿物同位素。科学家认为讲，地球伫初期就已经形成上内层的核心，不过地壳抑个地壳甲核心之间的地面，都包含真侪其他星球的元素。美国阿波罗计划炸断来的月球岩石建本，抑个地球的岩石建本当中，都有不哩啊侪铁金属同位素。研究团队认为讲，这当证明狄亚行星弄落去了后，和地球合作一体，飞出去的残骸是正做月球。
If you can determine Theia's own isotope ratios, you can determine where it came from. In this case, it shares very similar ratios with objects in the inner solar system and a bit closer to the Sun than we are. So that is why it's suspected Theia was probably closer to the Sun than we are, and that we are neighbours.
科学家指出，狄亚行星伫太阳系位置，大约是伫地球甲太阳之间，也就是人咧讲的 L4到 L5。若结论一点，离地球40万到150万公里。因为金星引力地势上尾弄地球了后来消失。科学副署长认为讲，这就好亲像解破一盏太空迷杀案的谜，互科学界是真欢喜。公司新闻，徐家人编译。